Vivo launched the V60 last month, and it's currently working on two other members of the family that should join it soon, the V60e, which was leaked a couple of days ago, and the V60 Lite 4G. It will be headed to global markets. It will be offered in black and blue, an IP65 rating for dust and splash resistance, and it's 7.59mm thick. The new phone allegedly comes with a 6.77-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and a 94.2% screen-to-body ratio. The V60 Lite 4G also has an in-display fingerprint sensor, dual speakers. It's powered by the Snapdragon 685 SoC, paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. It will run Android 15 when it launches, with FunTouch OS 15 on top. On the rear will be a 50MP main camera using Sony's IMX882 sensor, and an 8MP ultra-wide with 120-degree field of view. For selfies you'll get a 32MP snapper. The phone has a 6500 mAh battery with support for 90W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.